Hi guys, this is how to crimp your hair with a straightener. I just brushed my hair out because I was doing a video and then I accidentally deleted it. So yeah, let's start. And all you're going to need is a straightener, comb, and heat protecting. My heat protecting broke. See? Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's broken. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. I have a little headband from Charlotte Russe. It looks like this. So cute. Okay, yeah, let's get started. Whole hair. I just did the top because it's like nighttime and I'm about to go to bed. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not about to go to bed. I'm about to go take a shower because I feel really dirty. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Okay, so you're just going to grab a little piece. And yes, you're going to need heat protecting because this is going to most likely kill, like, not kill your hair, but like burn it. So it's going to be like sounding really gross and smell like burn. But yeah, just go up, under, up, under, up, under, up, under. And then there we go, that's what it's going to turn out to be. It's so easy and so simple, and it makes your hair, it gives it like volume. I like it so much. I'm doing that, you can tell I different did each side because I was just talking to my dad. So yeah.
Morning, Ryan. Hey, Sarah. So, how are things going with Dr. Lonsdale? Hey. What? What does that mean? Okay, what are these sounds? What's going on? Nothing's going on. You just did something before we had sex that threw me off. Maybe he was trying to be considerate. Yeah, but then he did something after we had sex that really turned me off. This is bad. This is very, very bad. What am I going to do? Don't worry about it.
It's so cute. And if you want to, you can add a headband. And yes, your straightener is going to smoke up because you're like practically burning your hair a lot. There we go. And then you can, I hate that smell. And you can just add a headband. That's what I'm doing. And it's like so cute. I like it so much. But yeah, that's how you crimp your hair with a straightener. It's so easy and stuff. And there we go. Hope y'all enjoyed. Bye.